In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Microsoft Loop. Microsoft Loop is an incredibly powerful tool for collaboration, allowing teams to work seamlessly together on various documents. A key feature that you might find yourself using often is the ability to insert tables directly within your Loop pages. A task that, once mastered, significantly enhances your document's organization and comprehension. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Loop page where you want to insert your table. The process starts simply by opening the specific page. Make sure you have your Loop environment set up nicely so you can focus on the task without any distractions. Once your Loop page is open, scroll or navigate to the exact spot where you want your table to appear. Selecting the right position is crucial since tables are generally used to organize data or information clearly and effectively. Consider the context of your document when choosing this spot, as it will help ensure that the table serves its intended purpose without disrupting the flow of the content. After positioning your cursor where you want to insert the table, you'll need to trigger the command to introduce it. This part of the process is less about clicking and more about typing. Simply type the /, the symbol that looks like a slanting line without any spaces. Immediately follow it with the word table. So, that's / or /, followed directly by table. This command helps Loop understand that what you need is a table. And it's remarkably straightforward. Press the Enter key once you've typed the command. It's as simple as that. Upon pressing Enter, Loop will automatically create a blank table for you at the location you specified. The table will be ready for you to start inserting data or making further customizations as required. This method of inserting a table is not only efficient, but also a great way to maintain focus and productivity. The ease of use allows for quick adjustments and arrangements of data, crucial for meetings where every second counts. Ensure that once the table is part of your page, you take a moment to align its properties and contents with the rest of your document, enhancing readability and visual appeal. And there you have it. With these quick steps, you can now effortlessly place tables in your Microsoft Loop pages, enhancing your document's structure and clarity. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in your journey to mastering Microsoft Loop. Happy organizing!